Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about Emile Durkheim's most important contribution in the sociology, the division of labor in society. In the division of labor in society, Emile Durkheim described the nature of division of labor in the capitalist society and the evolution of division of labor in the society over the period of time. And he basically compared the division of labor in the modern complex society with the division of labor that existed in the primitive society, that is a simple society. Now his division of labor in capitalist society can also be considered as a response to the Marx's critique of the division of labor in capitalist society. As we know, that Marx criticized the division of labor in capitalist society with the help of his conflict approach, and he considered that the division of labor in the society, division of labor in the capitalist society basically creates the class division and class conflict and the inequality in the society. But Emile Durkheim tried to discuss how the division of labor in society can also be functional, can also be useful. So in this regard, he tried to analyze the division of labor in the society with the help of his very important concept, the solidarity. And he basically differentiated the solidarity into two types: mechanical solidarity and organic solidarity. And these two concepts are used to understand the different nature of division of labor in the primitive society and the modern complex society. That is how the traditional simple society or primitive society had the division of labor, and how the modern complex society is maintaining the division of labor. Now we will discuss about the solidarity and mechanical and organic solidarity. Now what is a solidarity? Solidarity means the unity, integration, oneness. Now there is two types of solidarity. One is mechanical solidarity and another one is organic solidarity. Mechanical solidarity was the feature of traditional society, and organic solidarity is the feature of modern capitalist society. Now that means the traditional society had a different type of the solidarity, that is mechanical, and modern complex society is characterized by the organic solidarity, which is of different nature. Now we shall describe what are the difference between these two types of solidarity. Mechanical solidarity was characterized by the likeness of interest. That is, peoples were unified, integrated because of their likeness of interest, because of their common shared norms, values, culture, religion, language, and peoples used to had a very strong bond with each other, and that was the bedrock of the division of labor existed in the traditional society. That is, the division of labor in the traditional society were mainly based on the common ideas, means common beliefs, and the main determinant of the mechanical solidarity in traditional society was the religious beliefs or the belief system as a whole, which used to make peoples together, which used to bind the people together, and that was a most important part of the division of labor and society as a whole. Now by the period of time, society evolved and the modern industrial society emerged, and modern industrial society gave birth the organic solidarity. Organic solidarity does not mean a difference, but means the unity in difference, that peoples are united, integrated because of their difference of interests, and they are interdependent. Their difference does not make them different and distinct from each other, rather their difference makes them integrated, interdependent, and this is called the organic solidarity. And organic solidarity is the feature of modern complex society. So in the modern complex society, peoples maintains organic solidarity to carry out their various jobs, their professions, their tasks. One thing is common in both the type of solidarities: collective conscience. Collective conscience was there in the traditional society. Collective conscience is there in the modern complex society. Collective conscience formed the organic solidarity. Collective conscience also formed the mechanical solidarity. Collective conscience determined the mechanical solidarity. Collective conscience also has determined the organic solidarity. Now, what was the basis of the collective conscience in the mechanical solidarity? It was the common shared beliefs, maybe based on the religion or any other belief system. The collective conscience which developed because of the common shared the culture, shared belief system, shared values and the religion. Modern complex society is also having the collective conscience, and the collective conscience that exists in the modern complex society determines the organic solidarity. That is, organic solidarity forms and develops because of the collective conscience, but that collective conscience is different from what existed in the traditional society. Here collective conscience, there is in modern the collective conscience in the modern complex society is dependent on the rationality. Rational means and a relationship, that is peoples are collectively conscious as a part of the whole society, as a part of the whole system. They maintains the integration with other individuals, with fellow persons and the human beings in a relation to the task, in a relation to the profession as a whole. Because the modern industrial society has created numbers of professions, and all these professions are filled with numbers of specializations. So numbers of peoples are engaged with numbers of positions with multiple numbers of specializations. So they needs to maintain unity. This is called organic solidarity. So what is their collective conscience in this? Their collective conscience is that they are conscious. They are conscious of their means and a relationship. There is rational means and a relationship. What means they can take and what will be the end of this process. So this is the basis of their collective conscience, and this collective conscience makes the solidarity two types. There is nature of collective conscience makes organic solidarity in the traditional society, and another nature of, there is different nature of the collective conscience makes the organic solidarity in the modern complex society.